In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google One. First, open your web browser and search for Google One. Type Google One into the search bar, then press enter. On the results page, you should see the official Google One result near the top, usually with the Google logo and a short description about storage and benefits. Take a quick look to confirm it is the official Google site so you know you are signing in safely with your account. Once you see the results, click the correct Google One link and sign in with the Google account tied to your Google One plan. If you have more than one Google account, pay close attention here and pick the one that actually has the subscription, not a secondary account you might also use. After you enter your email and password and complete any verification step, the Google One homepage will load. You should now see your name or profile picture in the top corner and an overview of your total storage. Now click on the storage tile to see your exact space allocation between Drive, Gmail, and Photos. This tile usually shows a bar with your total capacity and how much is used. When you click it, a detailed page opens that breaks down usage by service so you can see how many gigabytes each part is consuming. This helps you understand whether email attachments, cloud files, or photos are filling things up the most. From here, click Clean Up Space to let the system automatically detect and remove spam emails, massive video files, or corrupted downloads that are cluttering your account. The cleanup page will show sections like large items, spam and trash, or blurry photos, with checkboxes next to each group. You can review the suggestions, select what you no longer need, and then confirm. Once you finish, your used storage number will drop and you will see more free space in that storage bar. With your space under control, you can distribute your paid storage plan with up to 5 additional family members at zero extra charge. Click the setting icon. This icon usually looks like a small gear and sits near the top of the Google One page. When you click it, a settings area opens where you can manage how your membership is shared. A common mistake is to look for family options in the main menu, but in Google One they live under the settings gear. Next, click Manage Family Settings, then click Manage. This takes you to the family sharing section, where you can see whether sharing is on and who already has access. The Manage option opens the list of people in your Google Family group, and this is where you control who uses your shared storage. If no one is added yet, the list will be empty and ready for invitations. Finally, click the plus Send Invitation and type in the email, then click Send. A small window appears where you can enter the Google account email of the family member you want to share with. Make sure you type their address correctly, since the invitation only works for that exact account. After you click Send, they receive an email, and once they accept, their storage will draw from your Google One plan. You have now checked your Google One storage, cleaned up space, and shared your plan with family. So please drop a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Google walkthroughs.